Hey everyone, my name's Nick. I'm Fellows VP of Hardware and R&D, and I'm here today to teach you how to pull a shot of espresso with our new grinder, Opus. For the purpose of today's video, I'm just going to show you how to pull a traditional shot of espresso, something that we call a normal. It's a 1-to-2 ratio, so I'm going to be doing about 18 grams of coffee in, about 36 grams of coffee out, in somewhere between 25 and 35 seconds, depending on the coffee, the roast level, etc., etc. So what we're going to do is weigh our coffee first. About 18 grams. And when Opus shows up to you, it's going to be calibrated to espresso somewhere within the 1 to 2 range, which is where I am right now. It's going to load the beans in, and let's grind. So you can see Opus stopped on its own after about 30 seconds. Now all of our espresso grounds are in the Espresso Assist dosing cup, ready to go. And so the way that we designed this cup is it's designed to fit a 58 millimeter portafilter as well as a 54 millimeter portafilter. So for the purposes of today's video, I'm using a machine with a 58 millimeter portafilter. We can take it out, give it a cleaning, and take it and put it right on top and flip it over. From here we can give it a little shake, put it down, and all of our grounds are out of the cup in the portafilter. So the next thing I'm going to do is not mandatory, but I really like nice even extractions. So I'm going to do a little bit of something called puck prep, a little bit of Weiss distribution. I just want to really get that bed nice and aerated, nice and even. And we're going to take our time, making sure everything is just right. From here, I'm going to give it a little tap, level the bed, give it a little tamp. From here, we can pull our shot. There we go, 18 in, 36 out, 30 seconds on the money. Beautiful shot of espresso. Give it a little stir. Let it cool for a second. Give it a little sip. Thanks for watching. Happy brewing.